Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload guys Oppo phone guys lock and home screen setting, and today friends I will show you guys what is raise to wake and how to use and how to on in Oppo phone device. Friends, you don't know what is raise to wake and how to use it any Android phone and guys any Oppo phone device. So friends, how to use raise to wake setting in Oppo phone device today friends we are going to talk about it. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see how to on and use raise to wake in Oppo phone. First of all guys, open your Oppo phone setting guys. So we will on phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this tab setting in your Oppo phone device. So friends, you can see guys your home and lock screen setting. Friends, we will click on home and lock screen setting. So if first you can see home screen mode setting is here. So friends, you want to change your home screen mode, you can change home screen layout guys. The row and columns guys you want to change, so you can change from here guys. And when you can see lock home screen layout, you want to lock, so after lock guys you cannot icon, you cannot set on dashboard. So like that guys you can use the lock screen layout setting. So when scroll it and friends, you can see your lock screen setting, and then guys you can see your raise to wake setting. So we will on from here. After on guys how to use it. So friends, when you will lock your screen and when you will take your phone guys, automatically your screen will on guys, like that guys, off and on. So like that guys we can use guys raise to wake setting, and guys we call it guys raise to wake guys. So guys how to, and guys second method guys we want to on guys we shortly setting. So guys now let's see. So first of all guys we will on phone setting and guys search bar okay option here, and friends right here guys raise to wake setting guys. So I will search here guys raise to wake. So friends, you can see raise to wake setting is here. So I will click here direct guys, you can on, and friends you can off from here, and guys you can use it. So I hope friends you understood how to use raise to wake, how to on and off raise to wake in Oppo phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on next video. Friends, to even doubt guys related to guys your Oppo phone setting guys, home and lock screen setting, you can ask me comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys.